morning, guys. Good morning. So this morning we're gonna have some coffee. It's a coffee kind of day this morning. It's a Friday. It's a busy day. Um, I'm gonna head out now. It's early. I'm gonna head out to the salon. Give me a minute there. All right, guys. So I had a phone call here, so sorry about that. So beautiful, beautiful morning. The sun is barely coming out. We got traffic on the road. Let me turn this air condition down so you can hear me. Yeah. So, early morning this morning. It's probably like after 6. Yeah, after 6 this morning. So I'm heading down to the salon. It's super cool as usual. Here in Georgia this time of the year. So just a quick update on what's going on. So went by Peppaz last night, didn't get to do any filming over there, but the guys are working over there. They were there yesterday. I'm gonna swing by there in a minute just to show you what else they did. So they started on the gas pipes. They finished up most of the plumbing for the water lines. They did some more work there. All the drain lines are done so far. So met with the plumber, went over what's been done already, what needs to be done next, and stuff like that. He said that I drink coffee today. So he said that as far as the grease trap, the inspector that needs to come out by Monday or Tuesday, they'll give him a date when they're coming out to take a look. So once they come out, then he'll be able to start working on the grease trap. All right. So we're going forward as far as the plumbing part of it. So we heading down to the salon now. I'm heading down to the salon. I'm gonna get last night we had a move out at the salon. Sorry, I had a break there. I was thinking about something. So I'm heading down to the salon as we speak. There was a move out last night. So as of 11:59 last night, all the codes would have been changed. Because the last, it cuts off at 11:59. So the codes are changed electronically. The ones for the door and the key fob and stuff like that, those are changed electronically. I could do that via the computer. But the ones for the door, we have to manually do it. So the ones for the suite doors and the back door, I have to change it. So I'm heading over there now to change it, make sure everything was moved out correctly and there's no damages, stuff like that. That's what I'm heading over there this early to go do, and to just clean up, get it presentable for the morning. I've been there yesterday. I've been there yesterday evening. It wasn't bad. It wasn't dirty or anything like that. So I'm assuming it's good enough this morning. However, I just like to go over there and pass through. Every time I pass by there, I stop by just to make sure bathrooms are looking good, and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So, I forget I'm supposed to start talking at Pato. So it's early. They got the school buses out. School buses stopping everywhere. So sometimes in the morning time here in Georgia and in the United States, you got school buses all over. So that causes a lot of traffic as well, guys. Whenever them stop and pick up the kids will stop outside the subdivisions, outside the communities, and whenever the bus drive, they be stopping, they must stop all over. So that's what causes enough of the traffic here in America, and I guess elsewhere too. Anybody where have a school bus system where pick up kids, you're gonna have that. See, notice down that street, it's a lot of kids over there. I don't know if you saw that, we went by pretty fast, but yeah, man. But me dip on it early, rise and shine. We dip on the work early. Them always say early bird catch the most worm. So sometime we have to just get up early and do what we have to do. And you know me I say, make it work. You understand me I say? Get up and make it work, you know. We have to work sometime to achieve what we want. You can't just sit down, not have to work. In order to achieve what we want, we have to get up and go get what we need to get done. So later on in our life, when you get old, that's the cycle. That's what we were being told. A lot of people will watch this and say, yo, you don't have to do that, you can't do this and do that, and you know, get it easy. Well, here I am now. Me never grew up learning how to get it easy. You see me I say? So guys, me just go run straight into a little motivation. I like a chit chat in the morning. So me never grew up and know how to get it easy. Right? Me grew up in a business, and father and have business, mother have business. So as some me grew up and know how to get it. Me never grew up and know how to get it. No quick way, no easy way. I just hard work. Cause me grew up and see them as just hard work. Them are the hard work, and me get up and learn that. To just get up and grind every day. That's how me know how to do it, right? If me they grew up in one different settings now where I be a easy money and and you know whether it's easy illegal or easy legal, you know me I say, cause you have easy money legally too, you know, where you know whether it's stock market or trading or you know me I say, me never grew up and nobody never teach me them something, so me don't know how to do them something. You understand? Me play around with it a little bit and dabble in that sometimes, and you know, little here and there, you make a little thing here and there. But it's not something I grew up in, and me no well diverse in them things, so or advanced in them something, right? So in other words, me don't know if I get money easy. Me have to work hard and build things and build places and build businesses. I hope like a business me try over the years, and you know, some make it, some not make it. You know me I say? I just saw it go. You understand? So me still wait on the bus there, the great big bus there where things just take off, like how you see them YouTube videos sometimes take off. You understand? So me still wait on that. You understand? Me there me I try the YouTube thing, and to be honest, the YouTube thing, yeah, we know say YouTube make money on them something in the long run, but you have to put in work. So me not expect YouTube to just be a money making thing, or me go in it for the money and all that thing. To be honest, you know, a year ago or so, or a couple months ago, I decided to say, yo, I'm gonna start vlog this thing and vlog my life and thing, and it come like me like it. You understand? Me like to talk to you and tell you what I go on in my life and them something. No, if you don't know business what I go on in my life, it's fine. Click off it, swipe off it. You understand? But if you're not interested, some people interested, because me I get views, me I get watch, me get likes, me get subscribers. So obviously people like what me I do, right? But not everything is for everyone. So me not run with nobody and everything. You know, please come join me and see what I go on, right? So me not tell people to just swipe off it. I think that the content when I go now in a everyday life, me know most people can relate to it. You understand me I say? Them not might relate to it because them not work a salon, them not do what me I do, them not do. You understand? But I think it's interesting enough for people take a look at it, you know, or for those who are interested. Some people are interested in them something, none at all. They want to go look on stocks videos or car videos or, you know what I say? Which is fine. Me do that too. Me look on those things. But for me, when do these type of things, me gravitate to people and life videos. You know what I say? Especially our Caribbean people, Jamaican people. I watch those videos because I can relate to those videos and stuff like that. So, you know, everybody, YouTube have a little bit for everybody. Put it that way. So, all in all, I say I kind of like the YouTube thing. You know what I say? Yes, in the long run, would I love to get monetized and would I love to become that YouTube person where everybody wants to see, and yeah, that in it. But to be honest, me just do it for the love of it right now, for just because I love talk to, you know, and share my progress. You know what I say? People always say move in a silence and this and that. But yeah, you can move in a silence, you know. But the other day I think about it and I say, yo, we can all move in silence and get what we do. But sometimes we need motivation, right? We need need motivation to push forward, right? So let me break it down now. You see, when me go out there and tell you, say, yo, may I do this or may I do that, may I do that? It's like, no, me have to do what me can't come on this and whoop up 2,000 people, millions of people I watch and me fail, right? So now I put myself under pressure to push forward and get what me do done so that me can show and say, yo, me do it. You understand? So now if me da work in a silence, yes, me I motivate myself, but sometimes motivating yourself is not good enough. You have to put yourself in front of the world or in front of people or even your brethren or somebody in order to get motivated. In order to say, yo, damn, you know, I let down them people, you know, or you know, me go make this work so that me can show people say it can work. You understand? So it's like me use that as motivation by showing people what me I do, right? Me not go out and tell the world like everybody around me and say, yo, you know, so me I be like for show off thing. I don't know, show off thing, right? Me pretty much make you guys know how I go on because it's a live everyday video and this is what me I do in my life. Me decide to show the people, you know, where on my channel and whoever want to watch and whoever around me what I am doing. You understand me I say? It's not no show off thing, it's not no none. Right now funding low. In anything where anybody I do, funding is always a problem. Funding is always low. There's never not enough money to do any project where I do. So people can relate to that, whoever I watch this, and not do any kind of building or anything like that. Right? So funding is always an issue. So right now, funding there, you notice when you don't want to buy something now, let's say you want to buy a camera, right? When you have money for buy the camera when you want, you know. But then soon as you see that camera, you see a better one, and then guess what? You don't have the money for buy the better camera. Right? So that's why I say money is never enough. Because now the upgraded camera come out and you don't have enough money to buy the upgraded camera. But you have the money where you have to buy that particular camera. So hence money is never enough. Now to some people I wouldn't say most people, but there's people out there where money is not a problem. Where if the new one come out and is $1,000 more, them can just go buy the $1,000 more. Because for them money tall up. You understand? But I'm just saying for the average person like me and everybody else. You understand? You know, me did I buy this camera me have shoot with right here, and this camera cost X amount, and with the other extra packages and something, it was a stretch. Me have to think more and say, yo, do I want it or do I need it? You know what I say? Stuff like that. So, you know, it is a thing where, you know, it is just never enough whatever you do in a life, right? The money. That's why people end up go out and try get more all the time, because it's never enough. Everybody want a bigger house, everybody want a bigger car, a nicer car, but the money where you go with only can buy who you can afford, right? So, you know, I'm just saying, sometimes, you know, me do these things just to motivate myself, to push myself. Them always say if you put yourself against the wall, you will find a way out. So you see, by me posting all these things, it's like me I put myself against the wall, in other words. You understand? In order to, oh, hold on guys, let me park over the other side. They're in the parking lot right now, but the trucks them come deliver right here. So I don't want when I'm ready to leave. I don't want when I'm ready to leave. I don't want I'm ready to leave. I get blocked in. Yeah. So I'm gonna park over here so instead. Where them can just drive out. If you notice the trucks them deliver right here, so them block off right here, so in the morning time. Garbage truck come on empty over there, so if I park here, I can just drive out. Yeah man, so you know, this when I post right here, obviously me now move in a silence, forget what I get done. But by me putting it out there, me pretty much I motivate myself. You guys, I motivate myself to get what I have done. Me turn that into motivation. You understand? By putting it out there. If me just did I work on a science and say nothing. For one, is a restaurant where I build, so me need people to know. So where I build a restaurant, we need customers when it's done. That's one. and two, me put it out so that it motivate me for get it done. Let's say I put me back against the wall now for sure, say, yo, me have to get this done now because I can't put something out there halfway and it fail. And you know what I say, if I'm me alone that do it now, there's, you know, me have self-motivation, but, you know, me need that extra support. You know what I say? Yesterday, me see a comment, big up to the subscriber there, him leave a comment, say, yo, you know, good luck or something like that. Like him a wish me well, him say wish me well or some stuff like that pan what me do. It was on a short with the gas station and when me drive in, and them thing they motivate me. You see me I say? Because people are wish you well. You know me I say? You know, me see a lot of things in the internet and fellow vloggers and so now peer negativity within them campus. So it's like me no want none of that. Anybody will come to me with negative and them something there. You know what I say? Right now me not get no negativity so far. You know, everybody been just good with the comments them I get and stuff like that. It was just good and motivation and stuff them I saying as well. That's what more on my channel about. More show people say, yo, me can go and start from nothing. You know me I say, like the Peppaz project, we literally start from scratch, like bare dirt. Right? And you know, get it going, you know me I say, from nothing, and I want to follow through and make sure to show when we make money. You know me I say, me did do that a couple years ago with a food trailer when we built from scratch. Me never have the money for buy a whole food trailer, but me go out and me buy the materials and well it. You know, if you look down and me video them way down to the beginning, you'll probably see some short or something food trailer bill or something like that, where me that build it out, and it's like me build it from scratch with my own two and them. You see me I said to where me have pictures where I make money with a line. Yeah, it a sell food at the events. You know me I say, so this is just a motivational thing. It's not nothing only show me and show them my life and them something. Me and show them motivational stuff where people can say, yo, you know, if him can do it, me can do it too. Or is, you know, not him say him can do it, but when you watch it, it motivates you to say, yo, me go try that too, you know. I nah make it fail. See him go through and do it. You see what I say? So this man, I'm just so excited, guys. So and I hope you understand when I'm talking a Jamaican. If you notice me when I'm talking a Jamaican, I can talk just straight and fast, and yeah, but American, me kinda not American, but English, me have to, you know. So yeah, man, you know, right now me there in parking lot, it's empty, guys. See, nobody not reach our work yet. Just brunch not open yet or nothing. Few employees parking over there, so smoky, dirty. Me have to wash up smoky later. Yeah, man, but and it kind of chilly. That's why you see me there in my jacket today. You know, I'm drinking coffee for warm up. Yeah, man, but it's like, you know, I just motivational thing, man. Positive things, you know, positive things we are deal with. No negativity. You see me? Anybody come with the negativity, we're gonna just pray for them, because negativity can work good and work bad. You know what I say? Negativity work for the negative vloggers them, which nothing wrong with that. That people like to see negativity is not a good thing to preach, but because it's not good for the future youths them, you know, the negativity. Because then when you preach negativity, everybody are gonna end up just be a negative person. So yeah, you guys have to preach positivity. You understand? So that's what this channel about. This channel is about, you know, me doing stuff and doing it, you know, doing it and getting it done, and you know, help, what you call it now, influence people or motivate people, or, you know what I say, to get things done. So yeah, man. So as me say, it's a good look with what we're doing over there. Yeah, it's a good look with what we're doing over there so far. The plumbers them are move real fast, guys. Real fast, like them not hitch. So hold on, guys, kind of dark here. Let me turn on the light. So we have thing there lights in here. What do you call it? Automatic lights. So because we have automatic lights, once you walk in the hallway, it turns on. Oh. Alright, so let me put this down and then we can go check out what's going on with the room, the move out. So they were moving out today. Clean up. There's just a bunch of here on the ground. Yeah. So I don't know why she leave the door open, but yeah. Anyway, yeah. Yeah, guys. So we just have to inspect the room, make sure nothing is broken. They can be real hard on the room. Let me flip it around show you. So when you have a move out, guys, so see now we're gonna have to paint this whole wall. This is the wall where we did do the fox finish man, right? So well, fox finish on this wall, we have to just repaint that wall right there, repaint it back white. We have to go do some sanding because it kind of have a textured look to it, so we can't just repaint over it. So we have to go sand it down real good and then repaint it, prime it and paint it white, because this texture is like a rough texture. If you see it, it's got a rough faux finish, they call it, or I call it fox finish. It's spelled with an X, but it's actually a faux finish. Anyway, we're gonna have to take care of that wall right there. We're also gonna have to fix these holes. If you notice, there's a bunch of holes everywhere. There's a bunch of holes, so we're gonna have to just patch those, fix those out. And the walls, they gotta, I put a TV up there, so I gotta fix those holes. They had some, what do you call it, hooks right here, so I'm just gonna fix those holes. We're gonna pretty much recondition this, clean it up, wash it down. There's no, what do you call it, head on this, but this was hers, so all I have to do is just put ours back on. That's that. And then clean the cabinets real good. Cabinets need to be cleaned. Then we have to touch up the paint on the cabinets as well. But all in all, it's, it ain't too bad. This section right here, it's like dye or hair color, so all I have to do is just get rid of that grout right there, that seal, that silicone sealant. I'm gonna get rid of it and put new silicone there. Floors just need to be cleaned. These floors, I don't think they're scratched or anything. I'm just gonna have to clean them. You notice there's gaps in the thing. This happens when it gets cold, the gaps open up. When it gets warm, they close up. So because it's getting cold, they open up. So I'm gonna redo the floors, clean it and lift up the floors and use adhesive glue and close those gaps. Reposition them with the adhesive glue. So I'll just come in here. It's not a crazy damage or anything. We just gotta fix the holes, paint the wall, clean the floors and fix the floors, and then retouch the cabinet. But that's about it. There's nothing else need to be done in this room. This was our chair, so I'm just gonna clean it down, sanitize it, and it'll be good to go. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna change the I'm just gonna change the, so remember the other day I was telling you in the other room, I was telling you I'm gonna start putting the wash bowl like that, diagonal. That way, this one was in the corner. So when it's in the corner, it's like your feet there's no leg room for your feet right here. So you know, what I'm trying to do is install them diagonally. That way, you know, they'll have room for the legs. And you could still get around there to put something around there. And then you still have enough space right here to put a station. So yeah, this room is good. I'm just gonna work on it at a later date. Not today. I just came to inspect it, make sure everything is good. Our camera system still works and everything. Lights work and everything. You know. So that's good right here. Oh, let me disconnect these cords. Alright guys, give me a second. Let me disconnect these cords because I don't think I could do it with both hands. Hold on. I gotta look for the cord for this door. Give me a second there, guys. What room is this? 110? So, 110. Yeah, 110, so it's 70. 70. Alright, so let me change it. Give me 1 second. Okay, that long beep, that means it's been changed. Alright, so let me go back now and see if it works. Okay, so now it's out, right? And then ours is in. Alright, so code's been changed. So stay tuned guys. I'm gonna go over by the Peppaz project. I'm heading over to, I'm gonna clean the salon and then head over there shortly. So just stay tuned. When I go over there, I do a little bit of update on that. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so I was here last night, but I couldn't get to show you the progress of what's going on. Pretty much they got some more stuff done. You saw this already in the other videos, but they got the bathroom pipes plumbed in, the water pipes plumbed in. They started on the gas lines. They started cutting those pipes up. They also, over on this side, they got the plumbing in. That's all the hot and cold water for the sink. So if you notice the hand wash sinks and so they got those plumbed in. They got the mop sink plumbed in, not the hand wash sink, the 3-tier sink and the single compartment sink. They got those plumbed in. So all we got to do when they're done, when they're finished with this and they cover all the holes, cement all the ground, we'll build a wall to hide the vent pipes. So there's another wall is gonna come right here. So the reason for that is we can't put pipes in that wall. That's a firewall that goes all the way up to the ceiling. That firewall separates this from the next suite. So we have to build an additional wall to put these pipes in, you know. So we're gonna run a wall alongside here, pretty much. So yeah, you know, that is it. Yeah, so that's that. So we're gonna build that wall. Let's go on the roof to see if they start. I think he started on the roof with the piping, so I'm gonna go up there in a minute. See, they got all those pipes and all those lock-offs together already. They hooked up the lines inside the ceiling already. That goes to the main water heater. So they're moving along pretty fast. It looks like a mess now, guys, but in a few months it'll come together and look like a restaurant. For now, it doesn't make sense. If you look at it, look, it's just a mess. but it's gonna come together, guys. Just a little bit of time, it will come together. So let's go up on the ceiling and see what on the roof, not the ceiling, up on the roof, and see what they have done up there. Alright, this is what they've done so far. If you notice that line right there, they ran all that line going all the way over to where the gas station is. So let's go over there real quick. I had to climb up on the roof, guys. Look, there's a ladder right here. Anyhow, let me. Alright, so see this AC over here, that's our AC system right there, that one. So this line is gonna go all the way over to somewhere right here. It's gonna go over to be connected to here, and it's gonna go down into our suite. This is our AC unit right here. So the gas lines are gonna be hooked up in there somehow, right? If you notice, there's another unit right here. That unit belongs to the other the vape shop. This unit belongs to the vape shop, so they haven't got any heat yet. But if you notice, he laid it out right here. They laid out all these things. That's where our gas lines are gonna go. So you're gonna have a gas line going to that unit right there, and there's gonna be one coming here for the one coming here for our water heater. So our water heater is gonna go down there, and then the main for the cooking equipment is gonna be over there. So that's what that's for. So let's walk with the lines, guys. It's slippery up here. It's kind of damp, so it's slippery. So if you notice, the line is running right there. See, it's running right here. So all this line right here, that's the line right there. That's the line. Or gas line. So if you notice, on this unit they got gas hooked up to it. See, they got gas hooked up to it right there. On ours, there's no gas line. See this one? They got gas line hooked up. Gas line, and it goes all the way over to the meter. So it's the same thing he's gonna do with this. You notice our line comes and stop right here. Alright, so he's gonna come over and go over this wall, and then the meters are gonna be down there. The meters are somewhere down there. So yeah. So just like how they got theirs going over and up and over and down the wall, it's the same thing. These pipes gonna go up and over. So this is our line right here, guys. This is our line, our gas line. So see, he got it run already. So they're moving pretty fast, guys. They're moving real fast. You know, once we get our gas lines inspected, then we could turn that into the Atlanta Gas and Power light. And what they'll do, they'll come and install a meter. So once he gets this done and hooked up and, you know, tested for leaks and stuff like that, then all we have to do is just call the city out, and they'll inspect this. Once the inspection is done, see, it's going to go to that unit. That's our unit right there. So so see, he got these right here laid out. So one is gonna go to this unit, and then this, I guess he's gonna run to go down inside the building for the what do you call it, for the water heater and the for the water heater and the cooking equipment. So see, gas line is going to enter right there. They also added this pipe right here. This pipe is for the restroom. The vent pipes come up right here for the restroom, and also I think they put this one in also. So they have all the vent pipes. It's gonna come up to this one. So this one is new. So all those vent pipes that I showed you downstairs for the sinks and stuff like that is gonna come up here. The new restroom is gonna be right there. So pretty much they're working, guys. They're working. You know. All right. So let me get back down, and then we could talk a little bit more from downstairs. But this is where they stopped yesterday. Oh, let me give you a little view of the gas station and the street. So see, that's the whole gas station right here. We're actually down in this suite below, and that's the intersection right there. It's a pretty busy intersection. A lot of corporate going that way. When you go up this road, there's a corporate, there's an exit to the 85 highway right there, and this road right here is all corporate going that way and this way. So it's a pretty busy gas station. They are going to be opening 24 hours. We are considering opening till, you know, late hours, 2 in the morning maybe. For now, the health department, we have it at, you know, 11 to 11. So pretty much 11 in the morning to 11 at night. We might extend that till 2:30 in the morning, 3 in the morning, when that time comes. But that's the goal. But yeah, this is the roof, guys. That's what it looks like. We got our gas lines in, you know, and that's our unit right there. Not this one, but the second one. And then everything is the gas line is gonna go to that unit and then go downstairs. So yeah, let me head downstairs and then we continue. Give me 1 second. We gotta climb up this ladder right here, and then we gotta go down the ladder all the way down there. So let me put the camera up and climb down, guys. So see, we were all the way up there. Gotta climb down that ladder right there, and then we got a little alleyway, all the back doors back here for all the suites, the different sections. They got a back entrance, so that right there leads up to the dumpster, and then this is our door right here. So guys, it's cold outside, super cold. So, you know, this is what I was telling you, upstairs where you see that vent tube coming out that they put in. This is where the vent tubes, all these vent tubes you see in here, is gonna go up. See this pipe, they added this pipe right here. It goes up to there. So, you know, all these pipes are gonna be vented up. Every system, even in your house, every sink in your house or toilet has a vent tube. That's the vent tube I'm telling you about right here. So what they're gonna do, they're gonna run this all the way up in the ceiling, and then there's a, see, they added a pipe right there, if you notice. So that vent tube right there is gonna, all these vent tubes right here are gonna connect to that and vent to the outside. It just puts the smell and the sewer or any kind of smell, it puts it to the outside of the building. And I think it's like a breather, where, you know how you would run water down the drain? If you don't have a air vent, it'll just bubble, it won't run freely. I don't know how to explain it, but the plumbers know, and people who into those things would probably know. But yeah, so that's the toilet drain right there, like what I show you. See, they even got the water line for the toilet already installed. So they're moving pretty fast. The gas line that you see is gonna hook up to the AC on top for the heat, and then our cooking equipment gonna come here. So I'm assuming he's gonna bring a line down somewhere right here or over there somewhere, One of those lines is gonna go to the water heater on that wall. We're gonna have 2 tankless water heater on that wall, and then along here is the cooking equipment. So he's gonna have to run these lines from up there, come down here somewhere. So yeah, so he's getting it done, guys. This contractor, this plumbing contractor, I would recommend him so far. They moved pretty fast. You know, I made the deposit within a week. They did all of this. So technically, all this right here you see is a week work. They did all this and get it done. I can't, you know, complain. So far, I can't complain. It looks like a mess, but it's coming together. I would say if this job right here, if they were working on it every day, from certain time to certain time, they could knock this job out within a week. They had one guy came in and cut this. He took 2 days, so he cut it first and then came back and finished it. And then they came in and run the pipe the next day, and then they're doing, you know, the small stuff like the water lines now. So they're moving pretty fast, and then they did all the lines on the roof. He said he's coming back tomorrow to, you know, not tomorrow, today, because I saw him last night. He's coming today to finish up on the roof, to finish running those lines on the roof. So see, they got all the lines right here to finish up the roof pretty much. So yeah, it's going along pretty well, guys. It's going along really well. Now, once they finish all of this, it's up to me to do the walls, do the FRP, do the we're gonna have to get the doors. These doors, I had bought these doors for cheap, but I might end up getting some other doors for the restroom and the entry door right there. So yeah, that's it. That's the update for this project, guys. I'm just gonna take some pictures and then head on over to the house. I have to send the spec sheets and all of that to the gas company, so they could figure out what size meter we need on the other side of the building. So, you know, all this right here is pertaining to the gas. So I'm gonna send them the spec sheets. I spoke to the inspector already on that, and he said to just send the spec sheets with the BTUs for each equipment, and then they'll take it from there. So everything is, you know, it's a little bit of everything everywhere. It just takes time. You gotta, you know, be talking to your contractor, talking to your plumbers, you know, all those people. We're not ready for the electrician, or we're not ready for the drywall person yet. Right now we're just dealing with the plumbing. And then remember, after all of this right here, he's gonna have to dig outside to put the grease trap out there. So follow along with this journey, guys. It's cold in here, guys. There's no heat in here. It's probably about 40 something degrees in here. So stay tuned. Every day I'm gonna give you an update on it. I come here almost every day after work. Sometimes I'll come while they're working, but while they're working, there's not much really going on. They just, you know, running the pipe. Sometimes it's loud in here, so I'll you know, come afterwards when they finish, and then I'll show you the progress. All right, so stay tuned, guys, and watch what I go on. We on it. All right, guys, so I'm back at the salon. Tenant just called me. She had a chair. We provide a chair, but what happened is she said this chair is not, you know, to her liking, so she brought her own chair. So she set it up, but it's kind of crooked. What happened is it's just on there wrong. So I'm gonna fix this problem for her real quick, and then we should be out of here. Quick pit stop, guys. We on it. My battery's dead, so I can't film the whole thing, but yeah, but this is what I'm doing. Let me set it right here real quick, and then see if I could just work until the battery dies. So what I did, I get one of these. I'm gonna take the chair off of it. So this is what's going on, guys. Let me show you what's going on. So This piece is crooked because it wasn't on there. If you notice, it's not straight. See it? I don't know if you see it in camera. It's like crooked like this because it didn't go on level. So I'm gonna have to take this piece off and put it back on. So let's see if we could get that going. So see, it's off now, right? So now we just gotta put it on where it's level. Okay, all right, so I see what's going on. Now it's level. Now we gotta put the chair on there where it's level. All right, so boom, boom, boom. So let me turn it on the side. That way I could tighten it properly. There we go. So now we're good to go. Alright, so see now it's level. It's sitting level now. So now I'm gonna ask her if she wants me to take this one out and then hers is good right here. So let me do that right now.